What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mel. Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm at the Rick Ross car show and stuff like that. I'm gonna vlog for y'all. I know I ain't been on here in a little minute, but they got a lot of stuff out here. I ain't gonna cap. We really just pulled up. We was looking for parking for about 30 minutes. Hold on. We was looking for parking for about 30 minutes and then we had finally found the parking and where to go to get the buses and stuff. So I can see like the charter buses. They just dropped us off and stuff. What you saying, Muzzy? They got a lot of stuff. Y'all can see. They got all that and stuff like that. But yeah. Oh, my fault. See, I got all that stuff right there. You got something crazy. But yeah, we just really got out here. I'm gonna keep vlogging for y'all, so hopefully y'all enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and stuff like that. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Man, they got old schools everywhere. Let me see. Look at this junk, bro. Y'all can see right over everything. Yeah, they got a whole bunch of. They got an SS right here. Look at this Bronco, bro. You doing tough. Yeah, this Bronco. They got an SS right here with the 4G outer wheels, white interior. You see what I'm saying? I don't even know old schools like that, but they got this. Orange interior. I don't like, bro. Look at this GMC right here. Ain't gonna lie, they can get some junk. Yeah. Got the Denali in there. This little kid crazy. Yeah, this is the most cars I ever seen in one setting. I don't really like, I'm not into cars like that, but I'm into them. But yeah, we got old school trucks out here. They got all the everything. Yeah. That jump hard. They got 3 vets back to back. Hey, twin. They got your vets right there.
No, that's real.
They got your vets right there.
I see the blue one.
You don't want the orange one? They got 4. I'm tripping. Nah, this orange one tough.
No, the black one was bronze.
This not even. Muzzy. This junk not even. What is it called?
This one the hardest, bro.
This not even like carbon fiber or nothing. Yeah, that junk tough. The white wheels. They got the bronze wheels on here, 4 autos. Yeah, that junk tough. 4 autos. That's a Zio. Got a little 06 right here. Y'all can see. Nah, these tough. Huh? Where is that? Ain't gonna lie, they got the. Huh? Yeah, that motherfucker tough as hell. Little Trackiana. 4G's on. They got the splitter in front of that mug. Huh? What about these Jeeps, y'all? Y'all like these?
You probably need to take that mic out.
Look at this. This is crazy. Wow, that's crazy. That's probably for like off-roads and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna keep vlogging for y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoying the vlog and stuff like that. Look at that. Oh, is that an SS? Wait, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this truck big as I don't know what, bro. Look at this junk. Golly. Hey, Muzzy, come look. Look. Here the cars I want to look at. There you go. Oh, yeah, look how big these tires are, bro. The lift kit on these junks is like OD. Hey, look at this. Alright, look at this Cybertruck right here, bro. Nah, this is crazy. A Cybertruck on rims. Look at this. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This junk's tough. What the heck? This junk's super tough. Hellcat logo. Then you come over here, you got a track halt right here. Got a track halt. Then you come over here, you got another one. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The truck's getting bigger and bigger out here, junk. Hold on, y'all. Look at this junk real quick. Like, bro, what? Whoa! It's getting way bigger. Then you got this massive 250 right here. Like, look at that. Y'all, a whole disconnected, I don't even know, old school, I don't even know what it is, but I wonder how they even did this. Like, they got the wheels off and everything, bro. Look at the seats. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's getting kind of hot out here. I ain't ate nothing. Look at this track right here. It's doing hard. And we got a cat right here. Got a vet. You know what I'm saying? Got Rick Ross in there, bitch. Hey man, I just got me something to eat real quick. I got me some hot honey wing. I ain't never seen these type of wings, but like the look like this. I ain't never seen that, but I ain't gonna lie, these jumps good. It's called overtime wing right there. You feel? But yeah, I'm gonna eat real quick, and I'm gonna get back to recording for y'all.
I'm rich, you wanna know why? I addict, I love to get high. Look, I'm way in the sky. I'm flickity fly. Wake up in the morning, I put that shit on and I don't even try. I fuck with them.
Just like that, just shout it, where it go? Oh, God damn, watch it, here we go. Watch it, where it go? Watch it, here we go, watch it. 1 here, 2 here, 3 there. Where it's at right now? Middle. Nope, you would've lost. Which one you should've got, homie? Where it go? You ain't see it? Watch it, where it go? Watch it, for the hell of no money, we just having fun, man, where it go? Watch it, y'all nigga on the promised land, man. Let's laugh today, god damn, where it go? 1, 2, or 3, just like that, where it's at? No, it ain't the middle all the time, crazy, man. Where it go? Which one? This one, that's how you win. Goddamn it, 1, 2. Can you show me 2 to keep that?
Nah, I don't want to get
I'm
in it.
saying you won by point. Only if you got money, you keep this right at you. Where it go?
Got 2.
You got the 2? Yep. It's up to you now. If
I don't want to get in. I don't want to get involved in it.
He said.
Goddamn, that's how you win.
Why you didn't pay him?
He didn't have the money. Shit, watch it. I'm gonna do it again.
Nah, I don't want to get involved in it.
Watch it. 1, 2, or 3. This one, or this one. I'm paying anybody that got money. Where it go? 1, 2, or 3, just like that. And I'm gonna spin it back right at you. Where it go? Nope, he fucked up. Which one, bro? Which one? Lucky pick.
I'm not in it, but I'm gonna just shoot.
Where it go? This one?
Yeah. Nah, I'm not in it. Nah, you got it. You got it. Hey man, look at this junk, y'all. This junk is crazy. Like, look at this. We finna check out all his cars real quick. Nah, he did everything to this Rolls Royce, didn't he? What the heck? Look at this junk, bro. Dang. Man, I ain't gonna lie, this junk tough. G-Wagon, decked out. Orange interior. Look at this Cybertruck with 2 wheels at the back. Nah, I ain't never seen this one. Nah, this is crazy. I wonder how they even did this though. Y'all look at this. This junk is crazy. Like what? There's no way this running on the road. Look at this junk, bro. Nah, it's clean though. It's hard. I ain't gonna cap. There's no way you can drive this on the road, bro. It just gotta be for collectibles. Y'all, this is a 1968 Dodge Charger. Look at this junk. Ain't gonna lie, they got this junk clean though. Ain't gonna lie, they got that bit going. I just wonder, like, why back in the day, like, all the cars used to be long, bro. All these cars are, like, long as I don't know what. And then they got this, Camaro. I think it's a 1969. Let me see. Yeah, 1969 Camaro, supercharged in it. Oh shoot, I'm zooming in. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Look at these, y'all. These like Barbie Playhouse. This remember me like Barbie Land, for real. But this junk hard. I ain't gonna cap, this hard as hell. This junk hard. I ain't gonna cap, that was hard. Those remind me like cartoons and stuff, them hard. Y'all look at these bulletproof limousines, bro. These Cadillacs and stuff. Like, look how thick the window is. That's it for the president of the United States. Look at this junk. Nah, this junk is crazy. How thick the windows are. Look at all this. It's old school in there, bit, but nah, this junk tough.
That's one.
Look at these. Got the little toys out here. What are these? To cut grass? Oh no, these go-karts. Got the Rolls Royce. You feel me? The white wheels. What, this Shelby? A Shelby? This looks weird, low key.
It's like
You think what? Nah, this is a Shelby truck. Look at this, supercharged everything. I don't know how much horsepower you think them is. Huh? Got all his other cars, old schools down here. And stuff like that, but yeah, it's really like a lot of old school cars out here. Look at this Rolls Royce.
Like my teeth that I had done before, they chip and they stain so much. It's amazing. It's beautiful.
You gotta touch it.
It's life-changing for me.
Nah, this is definitely tough. There's a lot of motivation, bro. He got so much land out here, bro. Like, it's crazy. You ain't gonna lie. Like, what do you do with all this land, bro? Hey, man, y'all look at this, John. Hey, y'all ain't never seen this. Look. This nigga got bored and dressed up a lawnmower, bro. With 40 autos on this joint. Like, what the heck? Speakers on this truck and everything. Like, what do you mean right now? A lawnmower is crazy. Man, they got these two cars out here in the far. Golly. Is he gonna zoom in? They got a lamb and a let me zoom it out. But yeah, we finna look at these. We probably finna go run some to another place. It's with like clothes and stuff. I think it's called like Luxury Box. And we're gonna check that out real quick. But yeah, look at these. Yeah, this Ferrari hard. This junk sits so low, bro. Look at this STO over here, bro. This junk super hard. Look at this STO. Alright, so y'all, right now we left the car show. Came over here to like Luxury Box and all that. Like this little like promenade type of area, like shopping area or whatever. But yeah, we finna look at some clothes and stuff like that. I just want to update y'all real quick. But yeah, so far it's been so good. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, you feel me, comment down below if y'all watched to this point. But